To make dot crosshair in Valorant with codes. Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how can you make a dot crosshair in Valorant. To do it so, you just need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, there are three ways to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. First, import dot crosshair code, manually build a code or dot crosshair, and copy someone's dot crosshair as well. Now, if you want to import dot crosshair code, then the easiest way to get a cross or dot crosshair in Valorant is by directly importing this or its code. This system was recently implemented in a game and it allows players to copy and paste certain combinations of alphabet and numbers called code to use their favorite crosshair in a single click. So this is the code right over here. To use it, you just want to go to the main menu and head to settings. Then you want to select crosshair, click the import profile code button, copy and paste the code into the required field and hit import. This is how you could do it so. And likewise, if you could not import the code in Valorant for any reason, you could manually build a code, or you could manually build a dot crosshair by configuring it according to this settings. That is outline, make sure it's off, outline capacity is 0. I'll make sure to leave this link on my description box below. So generally advise using a green color crosshair as it's easily visible in the front of the almost all the surface and it's less distracting compared to the other options. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.